Gilles, I thought it was very special. What was interesting to you about four central bankers on the same platform in Frankfurt?
Well, what was interesting in a way was that they were almost only retrospective. They talked a lot about past experiences, how they actually handled themselves in different circumstances. There was not a lot about prospective discussions. The moderator really tried hard, and Mark Carney was grilled on Brexit in particular. But generally speaking, there was not a lot you could take away in terms of what are the next steps.
I look, David, at this, and I guess it did not move the market, but it really entrenches orthodox thinking at the central banks. Do they have that luxury for much longer? Can they stay on traditional theoretical paths?
Well, I think it's been much easier for the central banks and for markets, for that matter, to have these debates around terminal rates and Phillips curve and forward guidance and policy sequencing and so on, when inflation has been below target, except for the UK, and growth has been above target or above trend. I think as we go through 2018 and beyond, then we're going to have some tougher policy choices facing central banks, and it's going to be, I think, a more volatile environment as well for investors more generally. So at the moment, you can have these kind of academic discussions, but I think once inflation does start picking up, we might even get an indication later today, but as inflation does start picking up through 2018, then I think we're going to get to the sharp end, and then we're going to test some of this forward guidance.